through the shadows where our memories used to stay. Every whisper of your heartbeat fades away. Still I'm reaching for the warmth you used to give, even though you're gone. All the moments that we carved in quiet nights, every promise drifted slowly out of sight. I was foolish thinking love could never break, yet I'm standing here alone. Every tear that falls reminds me you're not here. Every breath becomes a weight I have to bear. 'Cause without your love I'm losing pieces of my soul. Every step I take feels colder than before. Even though I try to let you go, your shadow pulls me back again. And I'm still fighting through the storm we couldn't mend, holding on to remnants of the days we used to share. Even when the world keeps turning, I remain right where you were, crying softly, falling like the rain. All the seasons that we painted start to blur. Even sunlight feels so distant without you here. But I'm searching for a reason not to break as I try to breathe again. Tell me why the nights are heavier than dreams, why the quiet always cuts so deep within. Still your echo circles through my empty hands, calling out to you again. Every tear that falls reminds me you're not here. Every breath becomes a weight I have to bear. 'Cause without your love I'm losing pieces of my soul. Every step I take feels colder than before. Even though I try to let you go, your shadow pulls me back again. And I'm still fighting through the storm we couldn't mend, holding on to remnants of the days we used to share. Even when the world keeps turning, I remain right where you were, crying softly, falling like the rain. If I could turn the time and touch your hand again, I'd take every broken moment just to feel your name. Though the world keeps shouting for me to move on, I still hear you calling from afar. Without your love I'm losing pieces of my soul. Every step I take feels colder than before. Even though I try to let you go, I try to let your shadow pulls me back again. And I'm still fighting through the storm we couldn't mend, holding on to remnants of the days we used to share. Even when the world keeps turning, I remain right where you